Assalamualaikum and very good evening, madam. So today we are going to present about our mini project 2. So this is the group member Aliff Haikal, Muhammad Afiq and Muhammad Jamal, and me, Muhammad Nur Aiman. Okay, for the instruction is first prepare the design interface of the distant education management system by accomplishing the following item. Second one is based on the above design, prepare two table of software testing. First one is unit testing and second one is integration testing. Okay, for the introduction, the Distant Education Management System, DEMS, is designed to facilitate online learning processes, particularly in managing student information, course registration, and progress tracking. In this project, we focus on creating a user-centered design by applying standard user interface UI guidelines to ensure the system is easy to use, visually appealing, and efficient for user at all technical levels. The objective was to create a mock-up of the main page, input forms, and output report for the system, ensuring compliance with good UI practices and report design principles. Additionally, we prepared software testing tables for both unit and integration testing to ensure the functionality of the design interfaces.
Assalamualaikum madam, my name is Muhammad Afiq and I will explain for interface 1 and 2 for question 1. Number 1, homepage. The purpose is main landing page for the system. The key element is navigation menu, includes option like number 1, home. Home is the current page we see. Number 2, student, likely student profile and dashboard. Number 3, registration for course enrollment. Number 5, course material, access learning resource. Number 6, assignment for submit and view tasks. Number 7, upload likely for assignment. 8, generation and grade. Grade related function, possibly redundant label. Number 9, welcome message. Welcome to Distance Education Information System website. Also, we have contact information like phone number and email. For interface 2, course material page. The purpose is display course specific resource. The key element is course title, SAD, system analysis and design. For course outline label, SPDF, description, course outline for system analysis design. Action button, upload assignment, likely navigate to submission page. Grade generation, link to grade calculation.
Assalamualaikum puan and good evening. My name is Aliff Haikal. For this slide, I will be explain the assignment submission page. The main purpose of this page is to allow students to submit their assignment easily. The key element include the page title show the specific assignment. Here it is mini project 2. The submission status table is provided where the submission status show no attempt if no submission has been made. The grading status is shown as not graded because it is pending evaluation. The due date is currently set Sunday, April 27, 2025 at 11:59 p.m. Time remaining is displayed dynamically. Here is show 2 days and 20 hours left before the deadline. There is an upload file button which allows students to attach and submit their assignment. Lastly, if no submission is made yet, a placeholder message appears saying you have not made a submission yet. This page is designed to be simple, informative, and student-friendly, ensuring they can easily track and submit their work on time. For this slide, I will explain the grade calculation page. The purpose of this page is to calculate and display student grades based on their assignment, quiz, and exam marks. The key elements are: there are input fields for students to enter their marks, assignment mark, quiz mark, and exam marks. After entering the marks, students can click the Show Result button to calculate their final grade. The result section will display the percentage score, which is currently shown as 0.0%. This is likely just a placeholder. The grade currently displayed as A, although it does not match the 0.0%, so it is also likely a placeholder. A message saying you passed, although the punctuation is a bit excessive and should be refined. Overall, this page is designed to be simple and direct, helping students immediately see their calculated result after inputting their marks. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Jamal Afiq. Today I'm going to explain about question 2, unit testing plan table. For number 1, we have login validation. For the login validation test procedure, we have to open the app and then leave the username and password blank and tap login. The precondition for it is on login screen. And the expected result for test procedure is it will prompt please enter username and password. The tester was me, Jamal, and the result was pass. Number 2, we have successful login. The test procedure for successful login is enter a valid username or password and tap login. The preconditions are on login screen. The valid credentials are registered. And the expected result for test procedure is it will navigate to the feed screen. The tester was me also, and the result was pass. For the third one, we have search input empty. The test procedure for search input empty was tap search icon, leave input empty, and then submit. The preconditions are on feed screen, and the expected result for test procedure of search input empty was it will show enter a search item error. The tester was me, and the result was pass. For the last one on unit testing plan is search input special char. The test procedure is tap the search icon and enter something and submit. The precondition are on feed screen too, and the expected result are show invalid characters error. And the tester was me, Jamal, and the result was pass. So for the next one, we have integration testing plan. Number 1, we have login and feed load screen. The modules involved are authentication module and feed module. The test procedure is login with valid credentials and verify feed items fetched from the server. The preconditions are server running with valid user exists. The expected results are feed will display 5 or more items. For number 2, we have search and result display. The modules involved are feed module and search module. The test procedure are enter valid term in search. Next, submit the request and the server will receive the request and then it will respond the receive request. The preconditions are logged in and having a matching data exists. The expected results are relevant user items displayed. For the third one, we have web form validation error message. Modules involved front end form and validation library. The test procedure are leave full name blank and submit the form. The preconditions are on web form page. The expected results are inline error, full name is required. For number 4, we have web form and a successful submit. Modules involve front end form and a back end API. The test procedure are fill all required fields correctly and then select radio option and submit. The preconditions are web server and API up and a valid input. The expected results are confirmation message and records stored in the database. And last but not least, we have data persistence check. Modules involved, backend database and retrieval API. The test procedure are after the form are been submitted, it will call GET or submissions and verify the new entry. Preconditions are at least one submission has been made and the expected results are retrieve list includes submitted data. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, for the conclusion. In conclusion, the development of the System Education Management System interface was successful, achieved with careful adherence to UI design, guidelines and best practices for data entry and reporting. The mocha interfaces are user-friendly, attractive and functional, aiming to provide users with a positive experience. Through thorough unit and integration testing, we have validated that the design system interfaces perform as expected, laying a strong foundation for future full-scale system development. That's all from us. Thank you.